What a weird topic for a YouTube video. I quit selling my artwork. I'm Amanda Hilburn, and I've been selling art online for about 10 years now. I sell, or have sold, prints and original art. I've created collections of art, products, commissions, all the things. Normally at this time of year I am painting like a maniac and trying to get all of the orders done for Christmas ornaments. But this year I'm not painting, and I've taken all of my original work off of my website. I've taken my prints off of my website, and as crazy as it sounds, I don't have anything original for sale during the holidays. And that's something that is probably a little bit hard to understand for most people, but I'm going to try to explain it the best I can. So here's the thing. When you sell artwork online, it has to be photographed and edited and listed and sold, marketed, shipped, all of the things. It is a full-time job just to do that one thing. And in my business, I have started doing other things. So the actual selling of my original work was not the most profitable thing that I was doing monetarily, and it's not the best use of my time. So what I decided to do was just cut that out for now. It doesn't mean that I'm going to cut it out forever. I'm giving myself permission to take a break, not feel the pressure of trying to market and sell original work or any of my prints right now. I do have some merch on my website, but that is done through a drop ship company, so I don't actually have to do anything other than upload the photograph that's going to be printed on the items that the other companies will make those items for me and ship them for me. So a lot of people would say, why would you not sell your work? And it's because I am selling my work. I'm just not selling it in the same way that you might think it needs to be sold. And so I'm going to explain that also. So you're probably wondering what I am selling. And I am still selling my artwork. I'm just not selling the actual piece of art on the canvas shipped to your door. I'm still selling the artwork in the form of instruction videos where I teach you how to paint, maybe videos teaching a technique or workshops. I have 2 memberships where I'm teaching different lessons. One of those memberships, I teach classes that have to do with business, online business, alongside creativity and painting. So I'm very busy with art, with painting, with creating, but I'm just not creating the way that I did when I first began. And that was 10 years ago, which is kind of crazy. But 10 years ago, I didn't have the opportunities that I have now for teaching, and that is where I am going to focus right now. And honestly, I'm taking a break from the whole process of painting, the photography, the listing, the selling, the shipping, all of that. I just need a break from, and it's okay, because I have other ways to make income using my creativity that are more profitable, and they also help others. I may plan to do something like a Facebook Live sale on some of the things that are here in the studio before the end of the year. But what I'm talking about is the whole process of, and you may not realize how much goes into doing this, but as an artist who sells online, you have to paint the painting, and then you have to take really good photographs of it, and your lighting has to be exactly right, because the color will look different if it's not. You have to tweak it, you have to make sure that you've staged it well, and because that's the only way that your customer can actually see the work. They don't get to hold it in their hand like they would if you were selling at an art fair or in a gallery. So it's very, very important that you take great photographs of your work when you are selling online, and that takes time. And then you have the whole process of marketing and trying to figure out how to best do that. And so there's a lot that goes into it. Then once it sells, you've got to package and ship it and get it to the customer. So for now, I'm just taking a little break. I may do something like I said, with a Facebook Live sale in December, but I don't have to list those. I don't have to photograph those. I just hold it up in front of a camera and people can see it and decide if they would like to purchase it or not on the live video. So that doesn't take up, that takes like an hour. That's not a big deal. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this time lapse of me painting this painting, and it may be one of the ones that is available in the Facebook Live sale. So just keep an eye out for new things coming. I've got some ideas for the new year, but right now I'm just taking a break from selling my original work on my website. Thanks for watching.